If you saw a pile of rotting meat infected with anthrax, botulism, and cholera, you would run away. If a lion or a wolf ate it, they would likely die. But for a vulture, that toxic cocktail isn't just safe, it's lunch. Vultures are often voted the ugliest and most disgusting birds on the planet. They are bald, they eat death, and they smell terrible. But biologically, they are superheroes. They are nature's hazmat team, equipped with superpowers that allow them to clean up messes that would kill any other animal. I'm going to show you why they are bald, why they pee on their own legs, and how they stopped a rabies epidemic just by eating. First, let's talk about that iron stomach. The acid in a human stomach has a pH of about 2 or 3. The acid in a vulture's stomach is closer to 0 or 1. That is the same acidity as battery acid. This corrosive soup is so strong that it doesn't just digest meat. It dissolves bone and destroys the DNA of deadly bacteria. When a vulture eats a carcass riddled with anthrax, the bacteria is neutralized the second it hits the stomach. The bird doesn't get sick, it gets a protein shake. This hygiene obsession explains their looks too. You might think their bald heads are ugly, but they are actually surgical masks. If a vulture had a feathered head, sticking it inside a bloody carcass would cause the feathers to mat with gore and bacteria, leading to infection. By being bald, the sun can hit their skin and bake off any remaining bacteria, keeping them sterile. But their grossest hygiene habit involves their legs. If you see a vulture with white, crusty legs, that isn't paint, it's poop. Vultures practice something called urohydrosis. They intentionally defecate and urinate on their own legs. Why? 2 reasons. First, birds can't sweat. As the liquid evaporates off their legs, it cools their blood, acting like an air conditioner. Second, their waste is highly acidic. By coating their legs in it, they are essentially using hand sanitizer to kill the bacteria they stepped in while walking on a carcass. However, despite being biological tanks, they are vulnerable. In the 1990s, India faced a crisis. Farmers started giving their cows a painkiller called diclofenac. It was harmless to cows, but fatal to vultures. When the vultures ate the dead cows, they died instantly. 99% of India's vultures disappeared in a few years. The result was a horror movie. Without vultures to eat the dead cows, rotting carcasses piled up. This led to an explosion in the feral dog population. The dogs ate the meat, but unlike vultures, they carried disease. Rabies cases in humans skyrocketed, killing thousands of people and costing the Indian economy billions of dollars. It proved a simple fact: we need them. So the vulture is a hero. It vomits on its enemies. It pees on its legs. And it eats the things that would kill us. It isn't pretty, but it keeps the world clean. If you have the stomach for more wild facts, make sure to hit that subscribe button.